Hey Snappers! In this video, we're going to learn a little bit more about how to import an image so that you can show it on a colored background. And I need to thank Emmy and Valerie for teaching this to me. It was fantastic. All right, I've got my colored background. I have my sprite and I want to import a costume. I really wanted a cute duck. So I went and I searched free duck images, cartoon, and I came down and I like this one down here. So I saved it, I downloaded it, and then let's bring it into Snap and see what happens. All right, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna import that image that I saved from the internet. It was a free one. Here it is, it's called Cool Duck. Let's bring him in. And there's my sprite. Okay, I have a problem because there's that white background around this duck. I only want the duck because I want the pink background to show through. Okay, here's what I learned from Valerie and Emmy. There is something called removing the background. It's going to take all that white of the background and turn it just into transparent. So whatever we see, that pink is going to come through. And it's a website. It's called Remove BG for Remove Background. And there's a link to this in your lesson, so you can get to it, or you can just Google remove background and it's remove.bg upload. Okay, I want to upload an image. So I'm going to upload that same image from my laptop that I uploaded into Snap, Cool Duck. And then it automatically removes the background. Do you see those little black and white squares, that checkerboard? That means that that is all transparent. You can see the size of the image, you see the duck, and those squares, you can be able to see through those. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this. Okay, so that's downloaded, and that's gonna be my download. I might wanna even go and rename that one. What is this little file thing? Let me do. Oh, it takes me over there. Okay, here it is. And I'm going to come and put this in my other directory. Okay. I don't know. Whoops. Okay, I don't know what you just saw. We'll see. Okay, so I saved that. I'm going to now go back to Snap and I'm going to import the costume and I'm going to import it with the background removed. So import. Let's see. There it is. Let's bring it in. And now the costume, can you see that white background is gone? So I'm going to actually 2-finger click on my original one and delete that one. I don't need that costume anymore. I have the cool duck. Okay, so this is so cool so that you can go and you can search. Again, here I'm searching free duck images, cartoon. Totally get those. And then I saved it to my computer and then uploaded it into Remove BG. But you can also, let's see, let me find another cute duck. Okay, I like this freestanding duck right here. You can also grab the image, pull it up to the tab that has the app, and then when you bring it down, you can pull it right in there. And there is the new one, again with the background removed. So I could always then download that one and bring it into Snap. All right, Snappers, I just thought that was so cool because I know a lot of us are going to want to go out there and find some really cute images of different characters that we want for our costumes. And this is a great way to remove that background, make it transparent so the background of your stage can show through. Now, just as a reminder, that duck looks awfully big. So I can always come to scripts, go to looks, and set its size. I think I only want it to be about 40% of what it is. I can put that in. Actually, let me make this block a little bigger so you can see it. All right, make it a little bit bigger, click on it, and that changes my duck. Okay, Snappers, go out there and have some fun. Find some cool images and see if you can remove the background and how that works for you. Of course, ask me questions. I can help you. Or Valerie and Emmy, thank you again for showing this to me. It really, really is fantastic. All right, see y'all.